Hi, how is everyone today? How are we doing? It is so nice to see you. It's been a while since I've been live on the page, so I'm very excited to be here. And of course, I will share this to our Elegant Essences group, so hello to everybody in the group, and I will also share it over onto YouTube. So hi to all our YouTube subscribers as well. So for anybody who doesn't know, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter Sapphire, and I'm looking rather fluffy in my hair today because a few weeks ago I started doing the couch to 5k. So I'm, for somebody who doesn't run, I'm out running, and I mean gentle jogging, let's not go mad, but I've been out this morning and run, and it was raining, it was really a bit drizzly, so I've come back and my hair was like whoosh, totally bonkers. So I've calmed it, I managed to calm it a little bit, but I'm still looking rather fluffy. But anyway, that's not what you want to know about, is it? You want to know about this. I've got the whiff box, the whiff box, the whiff box. I've got the whiff box. I'm very excited. It actually arrived, I think it arrived, was it Thursday, late Thursday or Friday morning? No, Friday morning. So I've got a mark on my glasses. I'm going to have to give them a quick clean. It arrived Friday morning, but I didn't have time to unbox it because Friday I was working in the day, and then in the evening we were at World Tour, which is the Scentsy conference. I will tell you a little bit about that while I'm unboxing this. So I was out all day Friday, and yesterday was just totally bonkers. And I'm like, I still haven't opened it, and I'm desperate to open it. And it came with my Scentsy Club, so I hadn't even opened my Scentsy Club and got all my Scentsy Club waxes out, which I'm always excited about. So anyway, finally, we are unboxing. Are you ready? Are you ready? I do know, because we had a little sneak peek of what's in here. So I was going to say I do know, but I can only remember one of the items, so it's still going to be a surprise to me. So, are you ready to find out? Da, 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 da. Woo! I'm knocking it. Oh, I've pulled all the packaging out at the bottom. That wasn't a good unboxing, was it? Right, let's start off with the bit of paper. So, there we go. That's the picture on the front. Meet your laundry's new best friend. So it says your February Whiff Box includes an exciting new product. So this is a brand new product. Scentsy Suds are pre-measured laundry detergent sheets that dissolve in the wash. It is possible that doing laundry just got easier. Absolutely. And you know what? I will show these and show you what we're talking about. I did actually, there's so much packaging and it's all gone a bit bonkers in my Whiff Box. We actually were given some of these at World Tour. So yesterday morning when I did my laundry, I tried these. And I have to say, we're losing laundry liquid, and when I heard we were losing laundry liquid, at that point we hadn't been told about these, I was gutted, because I use the Scentsy laundry liquid and the washer whiffs for every single wash I do, and I was really gutted because I love the stuff. But now we have these. Now, I am really excited. So let me show you. So they are sheets that you literally, look, I'll open the box. So it says Scentsy Suds. And they are sheets, and they're obviously full, so they are Clothesline, which is, I mean, you literally open the box and you're just hit with that beautiful, fresh Clothesline fragrance. So they're a sheet like that, okay? And you literally chuck that in your washing machine, and it just dissolves, and all that lovely laundry liquid goes into your clothes and washes them beautifully. So they are amazing. Now you get 25 sheets in a box, but you can double the amount of washes you use to 50, because if you're doing a small load, or if it's not particularly heavily soiled or anything, if it's not that dirty, you can, they're perforated. Look at that. So you can just rip them in half. There we go. So that would give you 2 loads. So you just put in 1/2 of the sheet. So it tells you if you've got really like muddy clothes or something like that, if you've been on a run and gone through the mud, which I did the other day, then you might need 2. But for a general small wash, you only need 1. Okay, so it might be a little bit of trial and error. What makes me really excited about these is when my other half, love him, and he'll probably watch this later, but when he does the laundry, sometimes he puts quite a few pumps of the laundry liquid in, and I'm like, oh, you don't need that much. It's all very concentrated. You only need a little bit. Well, he can't get this wrong, can he? Because he just shoves in one of these, and that's it. Doesn't need to worry about anything else. Pops one of these in, and of course we do like to enhance our fragrance, so with it we will put in a scoop of washer whiffs. Now, Clothesline, so excited. So I can't open them. So I really can't open them. I've hurt my shoulder. I don't know whether I've pulled a tendon or a muscle in my shoulder, and I'm really struggling with gripping. No, I actually can't open the washer whiffs. But we were really upset the other... Now, when did they go? End of last season? They discontinued Clothesline in the washer whiffs, and so many people were upset. So they are... Oh, there we go. I've opened it. I've got there in the end. So they have brought back our little friends. So washer whiffs are a fragrance enhancer. You get with them a little scoop. Let me see if I can get some out and show you. And it's like crystals. And you literally pop a scoop of that in your washing machine. So all you do, which is what I did yesterday, I put in one of these sheets and 1 scoop of washer whiffs. And my washing, I put it up in my bedroom to dry. I hung it out in the bedroom to dry on my airer. Oh my God, I opened the bedroom door, walked in, and I was like, whoa, absolutely smelt incredible. Hadn't got warmer on in there at that point, and the washing just smelt amazing. Clothesline is just incredible for washing. Lots of people love it in the wax. I have to be honest, I'm not such a fresh fragrance person in the waxes. I prefer more fruity. I love bakery fragrances. I like citrusy fragrances. So I'm not that likely to warm Clothesline. I love it as a pod in my car. I love the car smelling nice and fresh. I love it in the laundry. It is just... it's one of the best fragrances for laundry, I think. So yes, your Suds. So the Suds are £27, but that's 50 washes, you know, so that is not bad, is it? That's not bad at all for 50 washes. And then we have our whiffs. Okay, so then also in our box this month we have got a scent pack. Scent packs are amazing. So scent packs are like they're little wax beads. Do you remember lavender bags? Do you remember I used to make them with my nanny? We used to make lavender bags and sell them at church stalls and things like that. So these are similar. These are the modern day lavender bags. Let's put it like this. And you literally have a little packet of gorgeous fragrance that you can chuck anywhere. So you can pop it in with, if you're doing some washing, say you've just washed your stuff from holiday and you're keeping it in a suitcase ready for the next holiday, pop one of these in and it will keep it all really beautifully fresh. People put them in gym bags. I use them for work, so I've got bags with scarves and things like that that I use when we're singing and dancing, and I pop one of these in with my bags of scarves because it just makes everything smell amazing when you bring them out. And of course they were originally brought in for the buddies, so our lovely Scentsy buddies, I've got a few over here, let me grab one. Try not to knock anything off the shelf. So our Scentsy buddies, they have a little pouch at the back, and in the pouch or in the pocket you can pop your scent pack and your buddy will smell amazing. So when children or adults indeed are snuggling our buddies, they smell super gorgeous. So you've got Province Lavender. How lovely. So me talking about lavender bags, and it's a lovely lavender fragrance. So that's rather nice. Let me pop Daffy back on the shelf. There you go, my love. He can sit back just there. There we are. We have one more product in our Whiff Box. So there's 4 products in this month's Whiff Box. And you might be thinking that's not many. But when you think what you've got, 50 washes and your fragrance enhancer, scent packs. Scent packs are £8.50, and then you've got a gorgeous bar of wax. This is exclusive because this is strawberries and cream. This is the March scent of the month. I haven't smelt this yet. I'm very excited because I adore strawberry fragrances, and Scentsy do strawberry really, really well. This better not disappoint me now, had it? All I can smell is Clothesline from the Washer Whiffs and the Scentsy Suds. So let's see. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, it just smells exactly as you'd expect it to. That is gorgeous. You've got that almost a tang of strawberries, but it smells really creamy as well. Some of you have been with Scentsy, have been getting Scentsy a while, might remember we had a wax called Strawberry Swirl. I still get it because I have it on Scentsy Club because it is one of my top favourites. This reminds me a bit of Strawberry Swirl. This is absolutely flipping gorgeous. There's a sweet. I'm trying to think. There's some sweets that smell like this. I mean, they must be a strawberry flavour. I can't think what it is, but there's definitely some sweets. That's look at me and me going, oh yes, let's talk about food while we're sniffing. Well, strawberries and cream, you're going to, aren't you? All I need is some Pims to go with that, and we've got a good evening. There we are. So strawberries and cream is the bar that is in the Whiff Box. So what an incredible, fresh, beautiful box this is. You've got that the new product, those Scentsy Suds, which I cannot tell you how good these are. Just incredible, just incredible. They are my new favourite. We have got the Washer Whiffs. We have got that scent pack, and you get to smell next month's scent of the month, which is flip it. I might have to just go and put this straight in my warmers. I only changed them all yesterday. But I need that on. I need that on because that is so good. You are going to love this box. So these 4 products, I think we worked out that they are about £56, £57 for the whole lot. £42 for a Whiff Box. So that is incredible value. So if you would like one of these fabulous fresh laundry, kind of laundry box, isn't it? Let's call it a laundry box because you are going to be doing your washing with this one. If you fancy one of these, let me know and I can get one ordered for you, or you can just go directly onto our website and order for yourself. All right then, my loves, I'm going to go because we are going out for a meal in a few minutes because I was, as I say, I was at World Tour on Friday. Friday was Valentine's Day, so we couldn't go out Friday. Yesterday, Keith was working all day and I was busy, so we're finally going out for our Valentine's meal this lunchtime. So I'm getting a nice 𝒷𝒶𝓃𝓈𝓅 out, vegetarian obviously for me, not for Keith. So have a lovely, lovely, lovely rest of your Sunday. I might have to go and attempt to straighten my hair before I go out. Have a lovely rest of your Sunday, and I will speak to you all very, very soon. Take care, my loves. Mwah. Loads and loads of love. Bye.